Effective budget management is crucial for achieving financial stability and reaching financial goals. One of the most important steps in budget management is setting clear and realistic financial goals. Once you have established your goals, you can create a budget that will help you achieve them. Creating a budget can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Start by listing all of your income sources and expenses. Be sure to include both fixed expenses, such as rent and utilities, and variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Once you have a complete picture of your income and expenses, you can begin to make adjustments to your spending habits. One effective way to manage your budget is to prioritize your spending. Start by identifying your essential expenses, such as housing and food, and make sure they are covered first. Then, allocate funds to your non-essential expenses, such as entertainment and shopping. By prioritizing your spending in this way, you can ensure that you are covering your essential expenses while also allowing yourself some room for fun and relaxation. Another important aspect of budget management is being aware of your spending habits and looking for ways to cut costs. For example, you might consider switching to a cheaper cell phone plan or cutting back on eating out. Additionally, it's important to be mindful of impulse purchases and try to avoid them as much as possible. Finally, it's important to remember that budget management is not a one-time event, but rather an ongoing process. Review your budget regularly and make adjustments as necessary to ensure that you are still on track to reach your financial goals. In conclusion, budget management is an essential part of achieving financial stability and reaching your financial goals. By setting clear and realistic goals, creating a budget, using the 50-30-20 rule, tracking your spending, having an emergency fund, planning for retirement savings, and reviewing your budget regularly, you can effectively manage your finances and take control of your financial future.